Fight back. Everyone, including me and you, have been pushed around at some point in our lives. You may have been made to feel small and by someone when you were younger, made to feel useless, made to feel small. Maybe you came from an abusive family. Maybe even right now you're in an abusive relationship. Maybe you've been told a load of lies all your life, like you're nothing, you'll never be nothing, you came from nothing, you'll never be loved, you'll never be happy, you'll never be free, you'll never make anything of yourself, you're useless, you're small, you're weak. This poison can infiltrate your soul from loads of different places. Your parents, your friends, your partner, people that say that they love you. But this poison can only become fatal when you start believing it and start telling yourself it's true. Fight back. If the enemy within is controlled, then the enemy outside can do you no harm. It's time to say enough is enough. Stop feeling this way about yourself. Stop letting years and years of negative affect who you are now. You have the power to stop it. You got to put your foot down and say that's it. Enough is enough. No longer am I going to take this. No longer am I going to listen to that voice inside my head telling me I'm nothing, telling me I'm no good, telling me I'm weak, telling me I'm useless. No more am I going to be this scared little kid inside my head. And today, and from every day after today, I'm going to start fighting back. I'm going to start doing what I want to do with strength and pride. I'm going to take on the world because that's what I'm capable of. That's what I'm made to do. That's what's inside me. You ain't the only one that feels or has ever felt helpless before, let me tell you. I've been there. We've all been there. But what happens up until this point means nothing. It's what you do from this point on that's going to determine the rest of your life. Remember this, you can either be a victim of your life or the master of it. But the choice, that's down to you. Fight back. Thanks for watching, guys. Listen, if you want to subscribe to my channel for more motivational fire coming to you every single week, click this button right here and subscribe to my channel. If you're not convinced why you should subscribe to my channel yet, click this button right here and watch the next video. Thanks for watching.